Gentlemen, let me ask you a bold question. What if the secret to reviving your manhood was not in a little blue pill, but in a spoonful of something already in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about honey. Not just a sweet topping for your tea or toast, but a natural booster that ancient cultures trusted. Modern science is finally catching up. Here's the truth. After age 50, testosterone levels drop fast. This decline often leads to fatigue, reduced muscle mass, decreased libido, and lowered confidence, impacting overall vitality. Now, studies suggest honey may help. It can stimulate luteinizing hormone, the crucial signal that tells your testicles to make testosterone. Honey also helps protect Leydig cells, your body's testosterone factories, and is loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, the rust of aging. It even contains boron, a trace mineral linked to healthy testosterone levels, and flavonoids like chrysin that slow the conversion of testosterone into estrogen. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the part most men miss. The real magic happens when you combine honey with other natural ingredients long used to boost vitality. Today, I'll show you 8 powerful combinations, including ginger, onion, fenugreek, and ashwagandha, all supported by science. These simple recipes, rooted in tradition, are designed to fight weakness, restore strength, and bring back the confidence every man deserves. Stay with me, because the most surprising recipe comes at the very end. And I promise you don't want to miss it.
For centuries, men have turned to ginseng when their energy, stamina, or desire started fading. It's called the root of life in Asia for a reason. And when you mix it with honey, you create a blend that's both powerful and natural. Here's why it works. Ginseng is known to boost blood flow, support energy production, and enhance nitric oxide levels. That's the molecule your body uses to relax blood vessels. Better blood flow means better performance. Honey comes in as the perfect partner. It not only sweetens the taste, it also supports testosterone through those mechanisms we just talked about. Stimulating LH, protecting Leydig cells, and slowing down the loss of testosterone to estrogen. The recipe is simple. Take 1 or 2 slices of fresh ginseng root, or a teaspoon of ginseng powder, and mix it with a spoonful of honey. Eat it once a day, either in the morning for energy or before an intimate evening for confidence. Men who use this combination often report more vitality, stronger stamina, and yes, better intimacy. It's like fueling both the body and the mind. Imagine starting your day with a natural tonic that's been trusted for generations. No chemicals, no side effects, just nature working in your favor. And the best part? This is only the first recipe, because the next one, honey with ginger, is something you may already have in your kitchen right now. Now let's talk about ginger. This humble root has been used in medicine for thousands of years, not just for digestion, but also for circulation, energy, and yes, intimacy. Here's the science. Ginger helps widen blood vessels, improves blood flow throughout the body, and may even raise testosterone levels. It's like opening up the highways in your bloodstream, so energy and oxygen move freely again. When you pair ginger with honey, the benefits multiply. Ginger pushes the circulation. Honey supports testosterone and fights oxidative stress. Together, they create a natural performance enhancer. The recipe is simple. Take 1 or 2 slices of fresh ginger. Crush or juice them to release the liquid. Mix it with a spoonful of honey. Drink it once a day, preferably in the morning. The effect? Many men feel more awake, more alive, and more confident in their body's response. Some even notice improved libido after just a few weeks of use. This isn't magic. It's biology. Better circulation means better energy. And when combined with hormone support, you get a natural boost where you need it most. If you think ginger and honey is powerful, wait until you hear what happens. When you mix honey with cinnamon, garlic. Strong smell, strong power. For centuries, men have used it as a natural medicine for the heart and blood. Here's why it matters for you. Garlic helps relax blood vessels. It improves circulation and lowers harmful cholesterol. Better circulation isn't just good for your heart. It's essential for performance as a man. Now, add honey to the picture. Honey softens the sharp taste of garlic. But more importantly, it supports testosterone and fights oxidative stress. This creates a powerful 1-2 punch. Better blood flow and stronger hormone balance. The recipe is simple. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Mix them with a spoonful of honey. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach if you can. It may sound intense, but many men report feeling more energetic, more alive, and more confident after weeks of use. Remember, gentlemen, your blood vessels are like pipes. If they're clogged or stiff, performance suffers. Garlic and honey together help keep those pipes flexible, so blood flows freely when you need it most. And here's the exciting part. If garlic feels too strong, the next recipe, honey with pear, is light, refreshing, and surprisingly effective. Pear. Crisp, refreshing, hydrating. It's one of the simplest fruits, but don't underestimate its power when combined with honey. Here's why. Pears are packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars that give your body quick energy. They're also rich in fiber, helping digestion and supporting metabolism. For men struggling with fatigue or a lack of drive, this fruit offers gentle nourishment. Now add honey to the mix, and you get more than just sweetness. You get testosterone support, antioxidants, and protection for your cells. The recipe couldn't be easier. Juice 1 fresh pear. Mix the juice with a spoonful of honey. Drink it once a day, preferably in the afternoon when your energy starts to dip. The effect? It refreshes your body, provides hydration, and delivers nutrients that keep you steady and strong. And with honey supporting your hormones, this light drink becomes a natural tonic for men's health. Think of it as a gentle reset. Instead of reaching for sugary sodas or energy drinks, you choose something natural, something that truly nourishes. And while pear and honey are refreshing, the next recipe, honey with coconut milk, brings richness, healthy fats, and a deeper kind of strength. Coconut milk. Rich, creamy, full of healthy fats. For centuries, it's been a staple in tropical cultures for strength and vitality. Here's the science. Coconut milk provides medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that your body burns quickly for energy. These fats also support hormone production, including testosterone. When you mix coconut milk with honey, you're combining fast energy from natural fats with hormone support and antioxidants. It's like fueling your body with a powerful, natural energy drink. The recipe is simple. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut milk. Mix with 1 spoonful of honey. Stir well and drink it once a day. Many men notice improved energy, better stamina, and even smoother digestion. And because coconut milk is calorie-dense, it helps men who feel weak or underweight regain their strength naturally. Think of it as a creamy tonic. It nourishes, energizes, and sets the stage for better performance. But here's where it gets even better. Because the next combination, honey with maca powder, is one of the most famous natural tonics for male vitality around the world. Macadamia nuts. Rich, buttery, full of nutrients. When ground into powder and mixed with honey, they become a natural fuel for male vitality. Here's why it matters. Macadamia nuts are packed with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, the same kind found in olive oil. These fats support heart health, improve circulation, and provide the raw materials your body needs to make hormones. They also contain minerals like magnesium and zinc, both essential for testosterone production and reproductive health. For men over 50, these nutrients are like gold. Now bring in honey. Honey adds its antioxidant power, its hormone support, and natural energy. Together with macadamia powder, it creates a blend that boosts stamina, fertility, and confidence. The recipe is simple. Take 1 teaspoon of macadamia nut powder. Mix with a spoonful of honey. Eat it directly or stir into warm milk or oatmeal. Do it once a day. The result? Better energy, stronger libido, and nutrients that support your heart and hormones. It's not just about performance. It's about overall male health. This combination nourishes your body deeply while giving you a sweet, nutty flavor. That makes the habit easy to enjoy. And while macadamia and honey build strength, the final recipe, honey with lemon, cleanses, refreshes, and completes the circle of natural vitality. Lemon. Fresh, sharp, cleansing. It's the fruit of energy and renewal. And when mixed with honey, it becomes a powerful tonic for both body and manhood. Here's the truth. Lemon helps detox the body, balances pH, and supports healthy digestion. It's also rich in vitamin C, which protects your blood vessels and supports nitric oxide production, a key factor in circulation and performance. Now, bring honey into the picture. Honey not only smooths the sour taste, it also adds testosterone support, antioxidants, and natural energy. Together, honey and lemon create a refreshing drink that works from the inside out. The recipe couldn't be easier. Squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon, mix with a spoonful of honey. Stir into warm water, not hot, to keep the nutrients intact. Drink it first thing in the morning. The effect? You start your day hydrated, energized, and supported at the hormonal level. Your body feels lighter, your mind sharper, and your vitality more stable. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's something any man can do daily. But before you rush to your kitchen, there's one more thing you need to know, because using honey the right way matters. Too much, or used at the wrong time, can do more harm than good. And that's exactly what I'll reveal next. Gentlemen, we've covered 8 powerful recipes. Each one simple, natural, and designed to restore your strength as a man. But here's the important part. You must use honey wisely. Honey is rich in natural sugars. 1 to 2 spoonfuls a day is enough. More than that, and it may add extra weight or raise blood sugar. If you have diabetes, always check with your doctor first. If you're overweight, use these recipes as part of a balanced plan, with exercise, sleep, and stress control. Remember, honey isn't a magic bullet. It's a helper. A powerful one, yes, but it works best when combined with healthy habits. Think of it this way. Honey plus ginseng gives you stamina. Honey plus ginger boosts circulation. Honey plus garlic protects your heart. Honey plus maca restores energy. And honey plus lemon keeps you fresh and clean. Each recipe adds a piece to the puzzle. Together, they create a lifestyle that supports testosterone, performance, and confidence after 50. Now let me ask you, which of these recipes will you try first? Honey with ginseng, honey with garlic, or maybe the refreshing pear and honey mix? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you have questions about men's health, drop them below. I'll be reading and I'll do my best to answer in future videos. Gentlemen, your health, your vitality, and your confidence are worth investing in. Stay strong, stay curious, and don't forget, the most important secret to lasting strength is coming in our next video. You won't want to miss it.